Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Now, going straight to the point, if you have some spare cash to invest with this new week, I am here to recommend promising stocks for you this week and one you should sell. I would also explain the reason for my recommendation. Now, last week, banking index was up 2.93%. I am recommending you should buy banking stocks like Access Corp, FCMB, Fidelity, GTCO, Stanbic, UBA, Zenith. And why am I recommending these banking stocks? The stocks are cheap, but its real value is higher than the current price is trading for. Banking stocks are actually still solid. Number two, if you have Boa Foods in your portfolio, this stock is expensive now. Do not buy again. Take profit if you have it. Why? Share price has risen too fast. Profit growth may slow. Margins are under pressure due to FX cost of raw materials. Number three, Japol. Japol is another one to buy for this week. Why? Because Japol is currently undervalued. Now, there is 20% upside potential when you get Japol stocks this week. For more promising stocks recommendation, subscribe to this channel so you see my next week recommendation. Bye for now.